Hi, I'm Rebecca Bravo with Dignity Health. Many of you may be questioning whether it's safe to come to the hospital during the coronavirus pandemic. I spoke to Dr. Cameron Nouri, Emergency Department Director here at Community Hospital of San Bernardino, and he shared what precautions the hospital is taking to ensure patient safety.
It certainly is. Based on what we have actually established, the protocols that we put in place in the hospital, particularly Community Hospital of San Bernardino, it is 100% safe to visit our hospitals. Every patient that enters the hospital goes through a process of screening. That includes first taking their temperature to make sure they don't have a fever. They also ask screening questions, particularly regarding any chances of having COVID-19, being exposed, or are they being symptomatic. Environmental Services has been directed to clean the entire hospital on scheduled basis throughout the day. Any room that is visited by a patient is completely cleaned after that patient leaves the room. And if there is any suspicion for exposure to COVID-19 in that room, the room is what's called terminally clean, meaning it is cleaned with appropriate agents from the ceiling to the floor and left unattended for 30 minutes. This is basically the recommendation from the CDC in order to make sure that the room is properly cleaned and sanitized. Yes, it is safe to have surgery. We have taken multiple precautions, starting with our screening protocols in order to approve the surgeries that are being done, particularly the elective surgeries, as well as screening the patients prior to the procedure, requiring a negative COVID-19 test for every patient that goes through this, and proper training for our staff.
And there you have it. We hope you feel safer coming to the hospital for your routine, urgent, or emergency medical care needs. And Dr. Nouri has one last thing he wants to share with you.
I would like to just continue encouraging everyone to be vigilant with their social distancing efforts, wearing a mask, hand hygienes, and keep in mind that hospitals are here to serve you. And if there is any sort of emergency medical conditions that you have, we are glad to provide you with a safe environment where you can visit and get the medical care you need.